difference between a Medeco Maxum Deadbolt and one that you'd find at a typical big box store? Everything. Let's see how the Medeco lock holds up as we try to kick the door in. Let's try this one more time, but take it up a notch. Now, let's see how the standard off-the-shelf deadbolt holds up. That's the difference between a lock designed to close your door and one designed to keep it shut. To upgrade your security, find a dealer near you at medeco.com/deadbolt.